Welcome to my channel again, everyone. It's another beautiful day and I'm starting this new vlog here. You're highly welcome. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. My returning subscribers, thank you so much. My husband said we should go and check out curtains. Some of our room don't have curtain. You know, we moved and we've not gotten everything for the house, so let us go. I will take you along while we go and hunt for curtains. If we find the right one, I will show you. If we don't, I will also tell you when I get home. So let's go. They are gone now. I just need to lock the door. Am I the only one that does this weird thing? Anytime I lock a door, I will still pull it to make sure it's locked. To make sure it's properly locked. Only guru. Be very good. Magili Rigura.
Uprightly and works in righteousness. He does no harm to his neighbor and speaks the truth from his heart. For I will keep my oath even when it comes to hurt me, and I won't change my mind, for being with you, Lord, is all I need. And I will praise you, Lord, even at night your word leads me. My heart is filled with joy to be in your presence, Lord, is all I need. Lord, I long to dwell in your sacred tent. Lord, I long to live in your holy mountain. My eyes shall despise evil, but honor who fears you. My heart will never be sold to lie against my soul. For I will keep my oath even when it comes to hurt me, and I won't change my mind, for being with you, Lord, is all I need. And I will praise you, Lord, even at night your word leads me.
The next time.
I have to keep my hands up here. We are out from Delium. This is the receipt. That is the name. In case I didn't get it right, that is the name. We are out from there. We've gotten the things that we wanted to get. The mosaic curtain and the curtain hanger. What is the name? I don't know. I've forgotten. So we are here. My husband just make a quick stop somewhere here to look for number blocks 1 to 5, because we already have 6 to 10, but we don't have 1 to 5. So my kid want the number blocks 1 to 5 so that it will make it 1 to 10. So that's why my husband is here and we are waiting for him in the car. From here we'll be heading home. It's quite sunny today and it's a lovely day today. Actually, you can see from behind me, and my face is so bright because of that. I'm loving it. If I put this way, let me try and put it like this. My hand is paining me, but let me put it like this. I didn't realize that I've lost so much weight until last Sunday when they're doing Women's Sunday, and I was trying to wear my clothes, and I realized that I'll put the picture here. This is the cloth that will normally just fit on my body, but look at the hand under here. It's just looking like it's looking like my hands are big, but that is the space that that's given. But before, my hands will just go in there without any struggle. So I think I've lost a bit of weight. Yeah, so I will see you all at home, or when my husband gets the number block, or if he did not get it. Thank God you found it. You found the number block?
Surprise!
Oh,
it's not the same type that they like, but it's okay. At least they find the one inside.
Anyway,
it's not the type.
Is this?
I spend my time by looking at that. Is 25 pounds.
25 pounds. Toys are very expensive.
Especially this
tiny thing, 25 pounds.
If you find another shop, it's going to be cheaper. These people, they are expensive because they are.
But did you check the slides out?
Yeah.
We are back from town that we went to, from the Dolim. I don't know the name right yet, but I think it's Dolim or Dulam. One of the names, but we are back, and we also went to the Smith. So the thing that is close by to me is this toy. We bought these number blocks. This is not even the one that they have, but we just bought this one so that they can come and manage it, because my husband said this is the only one he found. That one that we had, it was 24 pounds. This one too is also 24 pounds, but it's not that one. You know, this one is easier to, it will get missing. I would have opened it, but I want them to open it by themselves. This number block is from BBC. Can you see that? So these are the ones that they have, the ones that have legs, like the proper number blocks that can stand, run, and all those things. They have these ones already. This is number block 10, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This number block 10 is always written here, but they've broken this one. So these are the ones that they have, but we didn't find exactly this type there. I would have loved this one because it's all together. You don't have to, you can't take it out. You can't take it out. So that is very good for them. Off of the kids' toy, but I would recommend this. It's very good. It helps them to know their numbers and all that. So I will start showing you the things that we bought. The things are down here, so I might be going like that to get them. Okay, so yeah, just bear with me. We bought this cotton hanger. What is the name of it? Please let me look at the name. Pool. Yeah, so this is the right name. I beg, let me not speak English, that did not suit me. It's called cotton pool here. We bought this one. This is for my living room. We have this diamond kind of a, you know, here. It's for the living room, and we bought this one for 20 pounds, and we got two of, is it two? We got three of it because I'm going to be using it, the window, other window, and then the living room door. So I got three of them, which went for 60 pounds. They're all the same thing, so no need of bringing them one after the other to save time. Then I bought this one for my son's window. This one for 18 pounds for my son's window. His window is those kind of window that you cannot get something that is big like that. They have to be flat because it's sticking to the wall. So we bought this one for him. The last time I bought another one, it didn't work. So this time around I bought this one. I hope that it's going to be perfect for it. And this is it for his window for 18 pounds. Just one, because it's only his window. My daughter already had a curtain. The thing is, the last time we went out to buy curtains for our house, only my daughter was able, her room was the only room that we are able to fit it without any problem. All of us, we couldn't find the matching ones for our room, even though we thought they were matching, but we did not really get what we wanted. So my room is somehow a bit milky pinkish. I don't know how to call that color, but we bought this curtain. This one is going to be for the window side, for like the windows. This is for one window, you know, like a window. Then we are going to hang like two of these on it, this one. So this is going to be one side window, one side window. My living room has two windows. Is there any living room that have only one window? My living room have two windows. It's not, my living room is not that big. We've not changed any, you know, like interior design or anything, but we just need this curtain for now. My husband was saying we should just get the curtain, so in the future, if we are because we are looking at changing the interior design of the house. So if we change it, we can then get a different curtain for that one. So that is why we just choose this one, because as you can see, this is matching, this is already matching the wall behind me. Do you see that? So my living room, there's somewhere in my living room is white, but there's also another place that looks like that background behind me, like that. There's somewhere that look like that, though it's not stripes, it's just the paint that the paint is. I don't like the paint, but we just got this so that it will match in there. And this one is for 80 pounds. This curtain, there are 2 in it, so it's 80 pounds. If you see eyelet, that means it's 2. This one is for my son's window. It's for his window. This one is for my son's window. It went for 20 pounds. This is for the door. I want something really heavy for the door. I don't want something off. Like I said, my chair is gray, so if my couch is gray, I don't want something too off. So, and the wall as well is what is the color? The wall is somehow not white, but yeah. So this one is for the door of the living room, and I bought this one because, yeah, I know whatever room I'm going to be color, whether it's black and white or whatever I change in the future, this will still, this curtain will still suit in there. Okay, this curtain will still suit in there. It has a bit of gold, just a little drop of gold, not visible, but it's giving that shiny. So it's, if you can see well, yeah, if you can look well, I mean not see well, you are seeing well in Jesus' name. If you can look well, you will see that 2 of them are for the window side and windows, then the 80 pound one is for the door. That is it, because you can't be using colors that are looking so the 80 pounds one that I said it was for the door is actually for, that I said it was for the window, is actually for the door. Then this one is for the window. These ones are for the window, are for the windows, like the window drops. And I got it very long. I want it like that so that it will be, you know, giving my room a bit of background. I want it that way. I don't even know how much I've said. I don't know what I'm saying. So that is it. These are all the things that we bought. Where's the receipt? I think one kept it in his pocket. Or did you keep it here for me? Well, I think it's in his pocket or somewhere that I can't find for now. But that is everything that I want to do in town. I will either see you later or I will just end it here. It should just be cotton shopping. Cotton shopping and number block shopping. I'll be checking out some things on the computer. I want to work on a project and then I am trying to figure it out. To be honest, I'm trying to embark on a project, but I don't know how to do it. I just have the idea, but I don't know how to do it. So I'm trying to check YouTube for more ideas and Google and all that. So before I go and pick my kid from school, that is what I will be focusing on right now. My son is asleep, so while he's asleep, let me use this time and do that. And while I catch up with some YouTube videos and all that. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. Always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.